How to add Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Shiba Inu on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon. Now tap on search bar and search for Shiba Inu. Once you search for it, toggle this option to add Shiba Inu on your Trust Wallet app. Once you toggle it, now go back to your home page. Now scroll down. Now click on Shiba Inu. Once you click on it, hit the receive button. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you will be able to receive Shiba Inu coin through different crypto wallets on your Trust Wallet app. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Shiba Inu on your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.